Welcome to the ultimate review of Wholesale Central, a hub for connecting dropshippers with reliable wholesale suppliers. In this video, we'll dive into the key features of Wholesale Central, an extensive online marketplace designed for business owners seeking to streamline their sourcing process. You'll learn how to navigate their supplier directory and uncover product options tailored to your niche, whether it's fashion, electronics, home goods, or beyond. The site offers a straightforward interface, making it easy to browse suppliers, compare prices, and find valuable insights about supplier credibility. Unlike other platforms, Wholesale Central does not charge a membership fee for basic access, which can be a game changer for small businesses just starting out. However, some premium features, such as advanced search tools, may require a fee, so be mindful of the costs when utilizing these services. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. One of the standout features of Wholesale Central is its category-based filtering system, which allows you to quickly pinpoint suppliers specializing in specific products. Additionally, the platform provides market trend updates and resources for businesses to stay ahead in the competitive e-commerce landscape. However, it's worth noting that not all suppliers listed on Wholesale Central are verified, so it's crucial to conduct due diligence before committing to a partnership. Utilize external reviews, test sample products, and maintain open communication to ensure you're working with a trustworthy supplier. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.